Hi, I'm Daniel Pohl, research scientist at Intel. Today we show a new demo, Wolfenstein Ray Traced. You see the demo here? And the setup is very interesting. We're using 4 servers with Intel Knights Ferry inside. It's a many integrated core architecture. And these servers are calculating the pictures and are streaming it back to this small laptop. So compared to the original game, we replaced some of the geometry. For example, this chandelier model here is very fine and detailed. We have 1 million triangles only for this model. Compared to the rest of the level, it has only 300,000 triangles. You can see it here in this debug view. You see triangles are usually this large, but in this model there's tiny, teeny little lots of detail in hidden. Also, we replaced the shading. So we have a real glass shader in here. Let's zoom in a little bit. And you see all these refractions going on once we move. These effects are calculated in real time and are physically accurately. We have the refraction index from a physics book for glass, and we get all these cool distortions, which I'm pretty sure you haven't seen in any current game. Another thing we replaced is this car model. So first we made one with more detail, but we also changed the shading here to get more reflections. And let me zoom in a little bit in this car. You see these enemies walking by, they're getting reflected here, reflecting here, and so on. And there's lots of details because it's really physically accurately modeled and calculated like ray tracing does it. Speaking of reflections, there's another special effect we have, which is this sniper rifle. And we made this scope in the back of the sniper rifle reflecting. So now you can even see what's happening behind you. So you could even imagine getting like a gameplay advantage by seeing if some enemy is approaching you from behind. Another pretty cool thing we implemented is this surveillance station here. So we see 12 screens that show 12 different parts of the level, all in real time updated. So you could also imagine in a deathmatch map, player walks here, looks okay, here are enemies, and walks there and has a strategic advantage. And also one of the cool things, we also made one of the TVs look back at these 12 TVs so you can see it in here again. And if you want, you can even zoom in it and still get very good frame rates. You can see up here the frame counter with 48 frames per second showing multiple recursions and recursions. Yeah, that's our demo. So with the cloud-based setup, we can enable these very cool looking graphics even on a small laptop, and with ray tracing we can show a lot of cool special effects, reflections, refractions, the sniper rifle thing, the surveillance station, stuff that could really influence your gameplay.